Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be revising questions of the United Nations. So let's start. The UN was established to prevent war, maintain world peace, secure the political, social, and economic conditions. So D would be the correct answer. Second question: the headquarters of the United Nations is located in which city? It is located in New York. Third question: the official languages of the United Nations are. So they are D, all of these. Fourth question, which of the following is the working language of the United Nations? So this will be D, both A and D. So English also and French also. Let's move on. The fifth question, a speech in UN can be delivered in D, any of the 6 languages. Sixth question, how many countries have the membership of the UN? C, 193 countries have the membership of the UN. Seventh question, Dash is the Secretary General of the UN. So earlier it was Ban Ki-moon, now it's Antonio Guterres. Eighth question, the United Nations was established on which date? It was established on 26th June 1945. Ninth question, the United Nations originally had how many members? It had 51 members. 10th question, the United Nations was established due to D. Suspicion aroused by wars, arms race encouraged by wars, there was a threat to world peace. 11th question, the term United Nations was coined by B. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 12th question, in the declaration of the UN, the representatives of Dash nations pledged to continue to fight against the Axis powers. So in this question, they're asking how many nations pledged to continue to fight against the Axis powers. The correct answer in this case would be 26. C would be the correct answer. 13th question, representatives of how many countries met in San Francisco in 1945? So this would be B, 50. 14th question, what was the objective of the meeting of the representatives of 50 countries at San Francisco in 1945? So it was A, to draft the UN Charter. 15th question, in the meeting of 1945, the deliberations were made on the basis of the proposals presented by D, all of these. 30th question, which of the following determines the contributions to be made to the UN? So the correct answer in this case would be A, the General Assembly. 31st question, which of the following can be called the World Parliament? So this would be C, the General Assembly is called the World Parliament. 32nd question, which of the following are elected at the start of the session of the General Assembly? So D, all of these. Chairman of 6 committees, vice presidents, and president are elected at the start of the session of the General Assembly. 33rd question, what is the duration of the presidency of the General Assembly? It is only 1 year, C. 34th, the General Assembly meets every 2 months. Let's move on to the 35th question. Who has the authority to call the emergency session of the General Assembly? So the Secretary General has the authority to call the emergency session of the General Assembly. Let's move on to the 36th question. The General Assembly performs the following functions. So what functions does it perform? It performs D, all of these. So it admits new members, it performs electoral functions, maintains peace and security. 37th question, which of the following appoints the Secretary General of the UN? So it would be the General Assembly. 39th question, who elects members of the judges of the International Court of Justice? So B, the General Assembly elects members of the judges of the International Court of Justice. 40th question, the General Assembly promotes necessary studies regarding D, all of the above. So it promotes necessary studies regarding international political cooperation, formation of development of international laws, and securing fundamental freedoms. 41st question, the General Assembly promotes cooperation in areas related to D, all of these. So it promotes cooperation in areas related to socio-cultural services, economic services, educational, and health services. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned and enjoyed this video. Do watch other history videos which I've uploaded, such as World War I and World War II, which I have uploaded previously. The channel is equal to Classes Shivang, so be sure to check them out. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a great day.